Yeah.
Okay. Which of these is a healthy snacks from options? Chips, chocolate bars, apple slices, and soda.
Apple.
बिल्कुल सही. What is the recommended amount of water or drink daily?
8 glasses.
बिल्कुल सही. How often should adults engage in physical activity each week?
2 days.
Sorry.
2 days. Week पूछा है ना? Question repeat.
Okay. How often should adults engage in a physical activity each week?
Each week.
Yeah. आपने आंसर वैसे दे दिया था. हाँ. To what? No. भाई सही मानू या नहीं मानू? पहले उन्होंने वीक बोला था. मानू नहीं मानू? अब आप बताइए. मानू. ठीक है भाई. अच्छा. What's the ideal duration for daily physical activity? जल्दी जल्दी. Sorry. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. What's a healthy way to start the day?
Exercise.
No. How can you improve your posture?
Exercise.
How can you improve your posture? आप अपनी बॉडी का जो posture है उसको कैसे improve कर सकते हैं?
Sing, the trees dance in the cool breeze. I feel better. My world is beautiful. Why need to be sad? Just be glad, for then you'll realize everyone is there for you.
Thank you, Abdullah. Very well recited. We will call you soon. What's your name? Tariq. Tariq Salaudi. All right. What is the name of your poem?
Battle for eternity.
A Battle for Eternity.
A fragile thread the mind's design, a labyrinth of thoughts entwined. Beneath the surface, silent wars, a storm that beats on unseen shores. Some days are light, others dark, the shadows talk. Yet in the dark, a flicker stays, a quiet hope through weary days. Its courage found in tender care, a voice that whispers, I am there. Through cracks the light will softly stream, a broken heart can learn to dream. So tread with kindness, step by step, each breath a victory deeply kept. For mental health's a lifelong fight, but even storms will yield to light. Thank you.